Oh, yes. Okay, so I'm going to do we have time, right? All right. I'm going to do a really quick demo. Let me see if I can do this here. We already have a volunteer who came down very early. Right. So I'm just going to maybe, no one, we didn't rehearse this. I just thought of this live demo really quickly. Yeah. But I'm going to create a photo right now. Right. Do anyone want to see how we create a photo? All right. Okay, wait. Let me set up this thing and see if I can do it. Still, any other questions? Please ask.
You pick from here.
Oh, okay.
Lucky draw.
We're gonna lucky draw a volunteer. Hope you don't mind. Hope you don't mind. Okay. But actually, I chose him because I like his shirt.
Ready?
Okay. Sorry, I'm gonna change it. Young man, you are going to be my volunteer. Our this brother, right, came like how many hours? 2 hours earlier. Came here. But for the fact that I like his shirt, I'm going to use him today, yeah? Give me a second, guys. Let me just set this up real quick.
Up, down.
So what are some of the things that we learned today? Rule of thirds. Oh no, if anything private, please close your eyes. Okay, so far okay. But we are going to try this. Okay. Cool, huh? Cool. Technology. Technology. Everyone say technology. All right. So we can do things like rule of thirds. Just now we said, don't look at it too much. I know you're going to get motion sickness. But I've already activated the grid of my camera. So of course, shooting Mervin at this place, you see where if I shoot Mervin like that, putting him here is more powerful than putting him here. Does that make a difference? Right? So putting him here is better. If I want symmetry, maybe I put him here, something like that. But I'm going to do things maybe just really quickly looking around the room. Let's look for leading lines, okay? Okay, again, guys, please don't look there. You're going to get motion sickness. But bro, let's come to me a little bit. I want you to face this way. This way. So stand where I'm standing. Here.
Oh.
Here come, brother. And
where?
You're going to cross your arms for me. Okay, here we go. I'm going to see, I saw these two lines. I don't know going to work or not. But let's try. Brother, you go a little bit closer. And putting him where the rule of thirds is. Using the leading line. Oh, my setting's wrong, Salah. It's a live demo, so if I make a mistake, it's part of it. Part of it. All right, let's change my settings. I changed my ISO because it was too dark. My triangle was wrong, yeah? So my shutter speed, okay, I'm going to change it. 1, 2, 3. He do Wakanda, I don't know why, but, okay. And then what is wrong here? The color a bit wrong, right? Because my white balance was wrong. So I'm going to change my white balance. Just now my white balance was set. Yes, yeah, sure. Okay, I'm going to change my white balance. I'm going to set it to... Okay, I'm going to take a white balance reading. So, okay, now when I take the picture, 1, 2, and... Okay, that's more correct. Okay, so that's just a simple rule of thirds and leading lines. Now, I want to try something different. Come, brother, you're going to stand here where the square is. Okay, guys, I want you guys to act like you're cheering. Oh, no, you face me, bro.
Oh, I face you.
You face me. Okay, you do this. Cross arms. Cross arms.
George Russell. Okay.
No, cross arms. Okay. All right, act like you're cheering, huh? Everybody, 1, 2. No, bro, you look at me.
Yeah, I look at you.
You are the celebrity, so okay, so angle a bit sideways.
Camera,
Yes, angle a bit sideways. Give me your better side. Cross your arms. Cross your arms. All right, turn to me a little bit more. Turn to me a little bit more. Turn your chest. Okay, wait.
Yes.
See, need to work with some of these people also, huh?
Sorry.
Okay, thank you, bro. Cross your arm. Good. Yes. Relax. Don't need to. Yeah, like that. Good. Eyes on me. Everyone act like you're cheering, huh? Wow, this one look like he's some TED Talk person, right? Nice. Cam, I'm going to change it because the color was a bit funny. So I'm going to use my light. Now I brought my own light, which is the flash, right? So let's change this, bro. Can you give me the same thing? Now, if I'm using flash, the light color will be different from just now, right? So I need to make sure my white balance is changed back to the correct one. So again, I'm going to try this. Looking at my camera here, bro. Everyone cheering. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Now, I'm building a story in my head. I'm building a story. I want you to now look at the audience. Everyone take out your phone light.
What? Absolute modular.
Yeah. Phone light. Nice, okay, ah. Make sure you got battery, later got competition, ah.
Dad, do what?
Okay, bro? No. I want you to do this. Oh, no, okay, can. He want to be George Russell, okay, yeah? Okay, George Russell. Okay, come. Everyone with your lights. Ready, 1, 2, and 3.
HP, help.
Actually, in fact, right, I'm going to change it. I don't want my flash. Let's try again. We're building. Yeah, so I don't want my flash because I want the backlight. Now I'm going to tell my camera to brighten it more. Okay, I want it to exposure compensation. I want the shot to be brighter. Let's try. Ready, 1, 2, and 3. Good. And last thing, I don't know whether we are able to do this. Can we turn off the lights?
Yes, we can. Whoa.
Okay, everyone, we're going to build this shot. Work with me. Oh, nice. Here comes the lights, bro, guys. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Is that a nice photo? I didn't see it. Let's see.
I hope you save my photo. Wow. Instagram moments.
Let's see. Oh. Hey. Wow, everyone give him a hand. Thank you for coming to his TED Talk. All right, guys. Okay, that's my presentation today. Hope you had a little bit of an idea of how you build shots. Maybe use some of these rules. In this picture, I'm using things like depth of field, my aperture, so that the background will be more blur. I'm using symmetry. I use a little bit of color because I wanted the color to be this color, not the blue color. But again, it's subjective. So you wanted blue, you can change your white balance. Subject, maybe, hey, I choose a better subject. No, just kidding. Just kidding.
I'm the object. Okay.
No, but he's doing it. But the reason why I chose it also, I can imagine my story is this guy's an F1 driver, right? Maybe he's meeting and greeting with his fans, right? So I created this shot together with you guys. So give yourself a round of applause first. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you. Sorry you don't win anything yet. Yeah. All right, any other final questions before I hand it back to Nick? Let's leave this here. It's like the mascot of NBS now. Yeah. Hey, got copyright or not, Ferrari? Then I'll ask Lewis Hamilton later. Any other questions so far? Okay, ready for your competition? Can again, I think I'll be walking around with you guys also. So please feel free to ask me or feel free to ask Mervin. So Mervin and I have been shooting together for many years. But yeah, please feel free to pick on his mind too. Only I'm a bit better lah, but okay, thank you guys. Thank you.